Hey everyone. So today I just wanted to give you a glimpse of my live trading account and how I'm putting positions on and taking positions off and adjusting them. Let me just take you through a simple example of Apple stock. Let's first go through how buying versus selling um, makes a big difference and the probabilities of success. Now, my go-to is around 45 to 50 days, between 40 and 50. So let's say if we buy an option, right? Let's say we think the market is down quite a bit in Apple, and we want to buy an option. So we hit the ask price here. I just want to show you the probabilities first because we trade the edge for option selling is the probability is on your side. 70% of the options expire worthless. That's why you sell those options to people who are buying it. Okay. Now this is my live trading account. This is not my paper trading account. So I'm not going to be putting any positions on, but I just want to show you how it all works. First of all, always make sure you change your slices here to break even to the right date, and make sure the date is set up on top here as well. Now, the probability of this thing being in the money at expiration is this shaded area because this is how it's set up. If you want to change this to out of money, you can change this, but I normally keep it at in the money to see what the probabilities are. Now, this chart, based on current volatility, it is showing me that that this thing will expire within this range on expiration, which is if I have to look at it, a quick glimpse on it, it just looks like a 50% chance here, right? Now let's turn this into a quick sell position because when we buy options, we buy at the money options. When we sell them out of the money. So because I bought a call option, I was long the Apple stock. So I want to sell the put option. So I'm going to go hit right click here and then sell a single option, right? Uh, Change this back to one. Go analyze the trade. Now look at the probabilities. Now look at the shaded area, which is coming up here. 84% probability of this stock being within the shaded area, which is your winning um, window. All the shaded area is your winning window. There's no two ways about it. There is an 84% chance that you will win or you will make money on this trade at expiration or before. Fine. That's the difference between buying and selling. The probabilities game. Uh, there are a lot of other things, factors that go into it, which I can discuss later. But today's video is all about showing you my live account to show you how I've adjusted a current trade and how I'm in the money on that trade now. Okay, I've actually got two trades on. I'm going to show you both of them. So let's go. I have a euro currency trade on, which the ticker symbol for that is 6E. It's a futures options trade, and I trade futures options because there's there's better capital efficiency available in that market. Anyway, when I put this trade on, um, I go to my normal 17 deltas. A short strike is at 17. The long strike is at 1 point above or below. In this case, I had to choose the half strikes. Normally, I don't, but there was enough volume and open interest back then when I was trading this, and I've been in this trade for like 15 days already, I think, or maybe 10 or 12 days. Anyway, let's analyze this position. So this is what my chart looks like. I have a short iron condor in this, which first started as a short as a long put. Short put. Um, so yeah, I started with the short put. Sorry, I started with the short call. That's what I was trying to figure out. Like, what did I do? Because the market has been topped up quite a bit, so I started with a short call, and that short call hasn't come into the money yet. But that's where I started, and then the market started going up on me to a point. My short call was at you know 125, and then my long call was like 135. But then I converted this into an iron condor. Um, this is how the trade looks now. It's perfectly even. There's some PNL today. There's no open PNL right now. Only down a little bit, $12. But then when the market went up on me too much, I sold another short call. which I shorted at 14 and 15. And that trade has come in nicely. There's still some money left in that trade, but I'm going to leave it as it is. When it gets down to 15 to 20 days, that's when I will look to move these. If they haven't hit my profit target, then at that point, I will look to move these into the next expiration cycles. Um, Overall, this is how my trade looks in 6E. Um, so I'm currently up $68, overall in this trade, and I'm looking for another $50 or $60 before I close all of these trades. This is one of the trades I have on. I put it on as a short put, and then I converted that into a short iron condor, and then I sold a short call on it. So when you sell a short call on top of your short put or short call, you don't get charged more buying power. You don't get charged more money. So it's all built into the same trade, and that's how you manage short credit spreads into iron condors. And then if you think the market is going to run up on you too much, you will sell it. You will sell another spread. Now here's the chart. So I was short put here somewhere at 109. Then it went up on me. It came down on me. It went up on me. I sold some short calls here, and then it came down nicely on me, right? And then now I'm in the money overall in the trade. The other one is the /CL, the crude oil market, which I sold recently. I think a couple of days ago, maybe yesterday. Market is down quite a bit. Now I like this because now I'm getting a lot of premium on the put side. So I sold a short put spread in this one. Now look at this. So my sweet spot here is 41 days out. Perfect. I like this. If I go down, if I can show you my strikes. This is my live account. See, my strikes are sitting at 20 deltas now, 21. Well, when I started, it was around 17, 18. So that's where I started. It has gone against me a little bit, but it's totally fine. Let me analyze this trade with you. I'm still short put here. Nothing to worry about. I'm down $30 in this trade, P&L open. Totally fine with it. I still have a 77% chance of winning in this trade. When will I panic? I will never panic in this trade because I know what I'm doing. And the reason I say that is because let's say the market keeps going down on me and it sticks at like 30 deltas. At that point, I'm going to go and convert this into an iron condor. It's a mechanical game. I follow my steps. I convert this into an iron condor, and then I sit and wait. I have 41 days left in this trade, and I've picked up a nice down move, meaning I've gone long here at 61 strike. If you look at my strike, I'm down 61 here at 61.60. That's my position. Again, like I said, I will convert this into an iron condor first. Sit on it, collect some theta, because theta is your friend here, right? You're positive theta throughout the trade because you're short the strikes. Look, I'm collecting $2.13 every single day. I'm short Vega because volatility has ticked up a little bit, which will be nice for my trade. Today the trade is down $40, overall 30, which is totally fine. And I'm collecting positive 30 deltas on this. Love this position. Let's wait and see how it goes. I'm going to give another update on my live positions very soon. So stay consistent. Trade very small. Now you must have noticed I only sell one contract at a time because you need diversification. So you are waiting for the market, and today is the best opportunity to sell something in S&P 500. Look, the market is down $100, 100 points. Each point is $12.50. Perfect opportunity. It's in a downtrend right now. I would like it to fall a little bit more up to a certain level around 51, 5200. That's when I will sell a put spread. Even though I am tempted to sell another one put spread today, but for me the market is kind of like in the middle here. So it was topped out here at 5700, and now it's in the middle at 454. I would like it to come around 5200. Meaning another $200, 200 points down, before I sell a put spread. Why am I not selling a neutral strategy here? It's because I don't think the market will stay neutral. There's a positive drift in the market, remember that. So anyway, this was the update today. What are the markets doing? I'm going to make one more update before the close of the market. today on Friday, September 6th, just to go through all the tickers, everything that's going on, volatility, how it's ticked up, and what should be a game plan for next week. Look at the volatility chart. Now, this is the VIX chart basically. It has ticked up a little bit. Perfect. I like this. Average vol is around 13, 14 in SPX. And today it has ticked up to 20. Perfect. Um, Stay tuned for a full market update at the end of the close today. Thank you. Bye bye.